The overall goal of Cooking in the Canyon is just to provide an opportunity for students, faculty, and staff to come in, learn from experts in the field, do hands-on cooking that incorporates healthful, wholesome foods, and enhance their knowledge on various nutrition-related topics. Hopefully they take the tools they learn in this class and they can apply it to their life at home.
I'm hoping that after I graduate and have like my own apartment, I'll get to cooking more and more fun and unique things.
From day one when we started this, I worked with the dietitian on almost all the recipes. We try to have that health and wellness into everything, removing some of the animal-based protein from your meals and replacing it with a plant-based protein. A little bit healthier, great for the environment, reducing our carbon footprint. The students that I see, it's becoming more and more prevalent that they want a meat substitute.
Overall, I'll try to be more conscious of the choices I'm making as far as nutrition and think about what kinds of foods I'm eating a little bit more closely.
Each station is set up for the participant. We have all the ingredients set out and in the measurements needed. Each station has recipe cards that they can reference throughout the class and also has a nutrition handout. We have whatever they might need to prepare that recipe.
Everything we're doing, they're hands-on, they're making it, they're taking it home.
The biggest challenge in marketing Cooking in the Canyon was actually the location. The only venue we had available was on the edge of campus and up a hill. So we really pulled out all the stops to get the marketing out. We promoted it in our weekly dining email, Facebook ads, Instagram posts. Through a whole combination of team effort, we found really engaging themes that we could promote.
Each Cooking in the Canyon class has a different nutrition and wellness topic. Lots of people have a bad idea around carbs, so we talk about the benefits that carbohydrates provide our bodies and how to use carbohydrates to prepare nutritious, wholesome meals. When we did sushi, we looked at prebiotics and probiotics and different food sources that provide those and the health benefits that those provide our bodies.
The nutritional values of seaweed and miso was not something I ever really thought about before.
The chef had made these miso covered roasted vegetables, and I like making miso soup with like ramen, but I haven't really used it in anything else. I learned a lot more about the health benefits of it as well as other ways I can incorporate it into food that I make.
Once we really got the word out and word of mouth started spreading and people really learned about the program, people were eager to sign up. We're getting really great feedback from people as well as new ideas for what staff and students are hungry to learn about.
Campus dining offers this class free for our students, faculty, and staff. We just want to support them so that they can learn how to create healthy meals, learn how to cook, and take these tools with them for the rest of their lives.